You guys, so you saw the crate, the cage. So we got the top crate off, the metal, and this is what you can expect. Right now you can see everything's packed in here with bubble wrap. This is the Baja 200 by Tao Motors. You guys, so we got the Tao Motors Baja 200 Sport. We got everything unpacked. As you can see, we have it on the jack stands. This is, again, the way we do it. You may have your own way, but this will give you a bit of a glimpse in case you want to do it this way. And get everything unpacked, organized. You got your wheels over there. You got to beat them up. Shocks here need to be installed, as you can see. Shock on both sides here. Now, again, this doesn't come with directions, you guys. So you can see there's quite a bit. Then we have a light bar over here, as shown. The top rack, rear rack here. We have the bumper, cross pieces over here. Horizontal pieces over here in the bubble wrap. And of course, pretty cool steering wheel. Check that out, pretty nice. This looks like the canopy top. We got the seat belts in that you have to do. And the odds and ends, the dust caps here. And of course the gas tank. So we'll fill you guys in as we progress. Okay, you guys, so you can see you're gonna have to connect the control arms over here. Upper, lower control arms. You do have cotter pins in here, castle nuts. So you want to secure these all together. This will be your shock mount right here. This end here. Take a look at the other side. Same thing on this end. This is the way it's all wired up here. We just cut all the zips on it. The wire's holding it up. And you gotta bring these things down as shown. And this is your tie rod, how you're gonna adjust your alignment and your camber on this here. Shock over here as well. And then Adam, right now, he's putting the mounting bolt on one of the rear shocks. That's exactly what you guys are gonna be doing when you're setting this up. Pretty nice, nice cart. Nice cart, I like the graphics on it, the white and blue. Pretty cool. We'll catch you guys up, you guys. So he started on the control arms, and then check out the rotor here. You'll have to mount the rotor as well. We'll show you guys how to do that here in a second here. This is where your disc is on here, the hub, as shown here, and your rotor all in one. All right, so you can see the way Adam mounted the hub caliper to the lower control arms, you guys. Make sure you do it properly, just like he did. Then he's connecting the tie rod now end on it, as shown. Then he'll do the upper control arm over here.
As soon as I tighten these two up.
Okay. Make sure you run this here. Make sure things are nice and loose. Nothing's caught up anywhere on it. You do have Zerk fittings too on the control arms. Pretty nice. All right, so Adam's gonna share with you guys what he just did here on the front control arms.
So I tightened up the top knuckle here, tightened up these two up. You want to make sure it's straight because it does move when you're tightening it. And then also make sure to put all the cotter pins through.
Okay, you guys, you can see the way it is properly mounted here on there. So you got this larger arm that extends out here. This should be on the top here. Give you a nice view of it, and another view of it over here on this side. Okay, so until the next. Okay, you guys, that's the frontal view we just did. As you can see, it's quite a bit of work, and the directions are not included, so got to be a bit savvy, right, Adam?
Right.
Okay, you guys, you can see where Adam mounted the seat belts. All right, you can see how that is done. Come back down here. This is for one side over here, and then here is the other side. So that is the process, you guys. Now he's going to put those seats in there. He did wax the rails underneath the seat. Do both seats have rails?
Don't know if that one does.
Okay, so definitely the driver's side has rails, you guys, so you can always adjust it. Generally, the passenger side over here is fixed. And you can see the adjustment lever right over here. You can see what Adam's doing. He's lining up the mounting bolt. You can put the nuts in there on the bottom frame over here. We'll take a gander underneath here. As you can see what he's doing. You can see this here is solid. So where are you mounting that up to, Adam?
There's 2 clips there.
Okay.
Underneath the seat that should hold against the frame.
All right.
Definitely takes 2 people to put it
So
in.
that's one bolt there, you guys. Then you put the other one there on the other side for the seat here. Again, this seat here is the driver's seat. It does laterally slide, but the passenger seat is fixed, you guys. Keep that in mind. And then you can see the front over here, the way it got hooked into this little tab right here where my finger's at. So it does secure itself there, and then you mount the rear as Adam did. You see this tabs here I was talking about here, these 2 fingers here, or U-shape. This one here, and then this one here. Same thing on that side, except this one here is fixed, and then you're gonna mount the bolts right here on the cross frame on side, so that the driver's side is exactly the same what Adam just did. Okay, so you can see him securing the rear on the rail, rear mount. This side, that's shown, and then there's the other side, you guys. Adam, he's installing, now running the seat belt. Already he mounted it over here. And then now this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna run it through one of the sides here. You can see it's on the right side opening, right here. And then you're gonna run the other side to the other left side opening as you're doing. Okay, and then where do these get mounted, Adam?
They get mounted to the bottom here for that side.
Okay, so these get mounted right over here, you guys, on this side.
And then there's one on this side, but I'll show you on this side. It's where the plastic part is.
Okay, all right. So you can see where this goes right here and get mounted. All right, guys. Okay, you guys, so as you can see what Adam's doing on the passenger side, this side here is threaded, so all you gotta do is, takes what, a 10, Adam?
Yes.
All right, so it comes with those bolts, the hardware. All you gotta do is tighten those up, position them, secure the seat, as well as it does have the tabs, as I mentioned. But the driver's side did move, and you saw me with the impact, while Adam, he secured the nut and I impacted down. So that, on the driver's side, you do have access to the top and bottom. This side here, you're just gonna tighten it up just the way he's doing it. You have to remove these side panels here to get access to securing the seatbelt here on the side here. And that's the best way to do it. Other than that, we could fit our hands or even a proper tool. You may be able to do it. As you can see, the mount there for the seatbelt on this side, and we have to do the same thing on this side. So you're gonna have to remove these. These do take an Allen and a 10 millimeter on the other side, right?
Right.
All right, you guys, so we are mounting the rear wheels, as you can see. Always make sure you put some grease. We used red grease here on the splines for longevity purposes. Okay, you guys, as you can see, this is where we are at right now. See where Adam here, he's getting the horizontal piece, the crossbars in here. So we are progressing. Any comments so far, Adam?
It's a pretty tough build. You need more than one person to help you.
I totally agree on this one here. This is a tough build, you guys. You do definitely need more than one person on this one here. So it's really about working smart on this particular one. What we do recommend, Adam, we recommend not installing this here, the passenger seat, until you actually install the battery down here. As you can see, let's see, right over here, you guys, that's the battery. So first install, hook up the cables to the battery, then put this here. You'll have more access to it. So it'll make it a lot easier. So steering, you can see what he's doing. These right here, that's your hardware, you guys. And look at the way he's installing that. So that's the way you guys are gonna do it. So we're gonna mount the gas tank as shown here. Adam's prepping the area for it. The bolts are mounted already on the mounting bracket. Then we'll finish it up here with the rack. And then we'll tighten up the loose ends, zip tie, run our fingers over the entire body, make sure everything's nice and tight. And zip ties are in place, nothing's loose. He did have to install that single light LED right here, as you can see. So that is included here. So, and then also got that cool LED light bar. Pretty awesome so far, but it takes time, you guys. This is a lot of work setting this up. Again, and instructions are not included. Okay, you guys, so for your mounting hardware, this is where you're gonna find it, right over here on the frame over here. All right, so Adam's removing the mounting bolts, mounting brackets. I want to point out, you guys, this is for your vapor, part of the EPA. This long hose here, it is going to mount right here on top of the rack. There's a mounting bracket that sticks out. So you do want to mount this piece as shown. If you guys don't know or just are a bit bewildered, unsure what this is, it's part of that vapor EPA catch here from the gas tank and going back towards your air cleaner, air box, you guys. So that's where it's going. All right, you guys. So this is the completion of the assembly and PDI. We just got it started and we're going to take it for a test drive here in a bit. Do a little night ride. It was a lot of work, you guys, a lot of work. So definitely have to be savvy on this. And there you go. Like the digital display here, looks like it has a trip meter. You're at 0. You have your shifter over here for forward gear, neutral. Is there an indicator? It looks like there's an indicator on there, right, Adam? Neutral right now.
Yeah.
You have your reverse and forward. There you go. There's your drive, forward, and then there's red. There's for your reverse. Pretty slick, pretty cool. And then it has looks like in a USB port there. What is that?
The 2 USB ports. I have to get it open.
Okay. Check it out. Oh yeah, very nice. A couple of USB ports as well. All right, you guys. Right. We are done, you guys. Check out those awesome lights, LEDs. Got that small one there on the bumper, and then you got the top roof light. All right, Adam, let's bring her out. Show our audience before and after. This is the after, you guys. That's the Tao Motors Baja 200 Sport. It's actually a GY6 motor. Probably comes out to, they're saying, on the specs, about 169. So what do you think so far, Adam, the fit and finish? And
Pretty good.
all right, let's check out that display again.
Real quick.
Yes. So this looks pretty cool here. That looks like your trip meter.
Right.
All right, pretty nice. Do a little walk around here. We got all the lights. You got a brake light, LED brake light, you guys. Looking good here. You guys, we drove it inside right now. We are done with the assembly. It runs fantastic. It's very smooth. So Adam has some comments to make on it. He did the majority of all the assembly.
So basically this is only meant for like 5'11" type person.
Okay.
As you guys see me driving it, I was having a hard time because of my hip.
Yeah, see, Adam's 240, 6'4", 240 pounds. So you would say the max about 5'11"?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then it's got a toolbox right here to put your tools in or whatever you want, like your phone.
Okay. Anything else you want to add to it?
Besides LED lights, it's got the lit display. Got some really nice handlebars for the kids to hold on to.
Okay, yeah, that's important to do, huh? Anything else you want to add to it? You got the fenders on it here. You mounted the fenders on the inside here.
Right.
They are the mounting brackets on the inside, you guys. The shocks, you saw how the control arms are mounted, as well as the disc brakes, as you saw those, the hubs.